Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to recover deleted iCloud photos. So, first of all guys, if you have deleted any photos in your iPhone, make sure that you haven't deleted them permanently. So for example, if I went to photos over here, you will notice that there is recently deleted option which is over here. If I went here, let's open it. So here we go. So make sure that there is no recently deleted photos in this section, because any photo that you have deleted it, you actually have to delete it twice. So if you didn't delete the photo that you want to get it back twice, you can find it in this section over here. And of course, you can just click on it and restore it. Else, if you have it backed in your iCloud, what you can do is go to settings, and simply by clicking on your name and then clicking on iCloud, you can just search for iCloud backup. So let's search for it. For me, I'm turning it off, so let me just turn it on, as you can see over here. And so the problem with me here, I don't really have some backups about my phone, so I don't really have backups in my iCloud. But for you guys, if you had any backup, just click on that specific backup that you have, and the photos and everything that you have there, they will be back to your phone like you never deleted them. So if you wanted to like keep a photo safe, you just have to click on keep backup the iPhone, and they will start backing it up and getting some details, that some necessary information about your phone, and keeping it safe in the iCloud. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can recover your deleted iCloud photos using iCloud itself. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.